options to choose between coconut rice, white rice, jollof rice, even fried rice. Will you ever pick coconut rice? I guess my answer is no. But today I'm going to make you fall in love with this beautiful rice, because it's one of my favorite rice to make it, because it's such a simple rice you can make with few ingredients. It doesn't need much to thrive. So how much ado, let's get into the kitchen right away. These are our basic ingredients for today's cooking. We need some coconut, onion, pepper, groundnut oil, some smoked fish, seasoning cubes. So first we have to break the coconuts. This process, if you know the easier way out, abeg tell me, because I nearly injured my hand in the process of trying to deshell this coconut. So after that, cut your deshelled coconut into smaller sizes. Okay, this will make it easier for blending, especially if you have a better pass my neighbor blender that I have. Okay, so after slicing then you transfer into a mortar. If you know you don't have a very strong blender, like I said earlier, so I first pounded it in this small mortar before transferring to my blender, because the blender now small, it take better pass grind stone. Okay, after blending into a very smooth paste, then transfer into a bowl and extract the liquid. You can use anything. You can use a fine mesh, you can use a sieve like you can see me doing in the video. At the end of the day, the cocoa be say ability to be able to extract the water, no matter what style or what process you use. Once the coconut milk has been extracted, set it aside and let's get cooking immediately. So into a pot, put some reasonable amount of groundnut oil into the pot, not too much, just a little, because the coconut itself produces its own oil. So after which you add your onions and fry for about 5 minutes. Okay, then after that, pour in your roughly blended pepper. Emphasis on the roughly blended. Okay, I don't like my pepper looking all smooth. It doesn't look too good for me. So after that, add your seasoning cubes. This seasoning cube is like a seasoning cube from my village people, so hard I have to just add it to the soup like that and allow it to dissolve on its own, then stir it together. Okay, after which cover up, let it dry for a bit, then open up again, add your washed prawns which has been carefully dressed. Okay, after that, then add your washed and deboned smoked fish. Period. So the next thing after this is to wash our rice. So pour your rice into a bowl, add some salt and pour water into this. You know how to wash rice now, so we are not parboiling this time around. Just wash it as many times as possible until the whole starch is clear and the water is very white. Okay, thank you. So let's divide our coconut milk into two. We are not going to pour everything at once into the rice. So divide it into two equal halves and keep it aside. Okay, so now the stew is dry, the fish and everything, they are well cooked now. So the next thing to do at this point is to add our washed rice free of starch, stone or anything. Try to fry for about 5 minutes so that everything can be crispy and the whole pepper and everything can just work together and give this rice a very crispy and delicious taste. Then when done, then add your coconut milk. Remember, it was divided into two. I will tell you the reason later on. Okay, so this I'm cooking the rice with just the coconut water because I made sure I got enough water out of my coconut milk. Thank you. So after this, then cook the rice for about 20 minutes, after which you check it. By this time the rice should be about 80% cooked. Then after that, add the other part of the coconut milk which we divided earlier. The reason we have to add this milk when the rice is about 80% done is because it will give this rice its distinct creamy look. Okay, it will not be too dry when eating it, because if it's so dry you will not know the difference between this rice and concoction rice, and that is not what we really want. Okay, so at this point you can see the whole oil floating, because like I said earlier, coconut itself contains enough oil for cooking. So at this point, add your salt. If you feel the salt is not enough, you can add seasoning cubes too when after tasting, because I later added a cube to the rice which I was cooking. Okay, so after that, cover up, cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. At this time the rice is well cooked. I garnish with some onion for extra flavor. This rice is such a beauty, it's so delicious. At the end of the day, you can eat it with any side dish. You can eat with your chicken, your stew, whatever. So if you watched it this time, thank you for watching. If you are new here, you're welcome. Kindly subscribe if you haven't done so, and turn on your notification bell so you don't get to miss any beautiful and interesting video as new video drops every week. See you next week when I come again with another beautiful and interesting video. Bye.